Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech tools and gadgets. Today we're diving into something every DIYer, crafter, and repair enthusiast needs: the top 5 best hot glue guns of 2025. This year's lineup includes some powerful, precise, and budget-friendly options, and we've tested them all to help you find the right one for your projects. And don't worry, all the product links are in the description box, so you can check them out and pick the one that suits your needs. Number 5. Maxstone 100W Cordless Hot Glue Gun. The Maxstone 100W Cordless Hot Glue Gun is a great tool for anyone who enjoys crafting, home repairs, or DIY projects. Designed to work with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, battery not included, it offers the freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled cords. Whether you're working in the garage, at school, or around the house, this wireless glue gun makes the job easier and more enjoyable. One of the best things about this glue gun is how quickly it heats up. It takes only 3 to 5 minutes, so you can get started without long waits. That means less time prepping and more time doing what you love. This glue gun works with a variety of DeWalt 18V and 20V batteries, including models like DCB204-2, DCB206-2, DCB203, DCB207, and more. Just snap in the battery, and you're ready to go. No cords, no limits. Using the glue gun is simple. It has a handy on-off switch and indicator lights to show when it's ready. The extended trigger is comfortable to use, giving you better control while working. Plus, the nozzle can be swapped out for different uses, making this glue gun versatile for all kinds of tasks. With 100 watts of power, the glue flows smoothly and sticks well to many surfaces like wood, metal, and ceramic. The nozzle design also helps prevent glue from dripping, so there's less mess and waste. The kit includes the glue gun, an instruction manual, and 12 full-size glue sticks, each 0.43 inches or 11 millimeters wide. Just remember that the battery is not included, so you'll need to use your own compatible DeWalt battery. Whether you're fixing things around the house or working on creative projects, this glue gun gives you the performance, convenience, and quality you need, all in one easy-to-use tool. Number 4. WorkPro Full-Size Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun. The WorkPro Full-Size Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun is a reliable and easy-to-use tool, perfect for crafts, DIY projects, home repairs, and more. With its soft pink color and strong performance, it's both stylish and functional. Plus, when you buy this glue gun in 2024, WorkPro will donate at least $15,000 to Helping Women Now, supporting breast cancer awareness and care. This glue gun heats up in just 120 seconds, so you can start working quickly. It uses an advanced heating system that saves up to 30% more energy than traditional glue guns, making it both efficient and eco-friendly. The glue output is strong and steady, which helps with better sticking and cleaner work. One of the standout features is its built-in rechargeable battery. Once fully charged, it can run for up to 45 minutes. No need to recharge it frequently. It also has a smart auto shut-off feature that turns off the gun if not used for 10 minutes, helping to save energy and increase safety. Charging is easy and flexible with its Type-C USB port. You can recharge it using a phone charger, laptop, power bank, or even your car's USB port. This means you can take it anywhere and keep it powered without much hassle. The glue gun also has a high glue output speed of 0.43 ounces per minute, which is much faster than many other glue guns. The low-leak nozzle helps prevent glue spills, saving your glue sticks and keeping your workspace neat. It even comes with a vertical stand, so you can set it down safely while working. Made with flame-retardant materials, this glue gun is safe for users of all ages. It's ideal for arts and crafts, school projects, repairs, gift wrapping, and decorations. Just remember to recharge it every 3 to 6 months if you're not using it regularly, and avoid using it while charging for safety. The WorkPro Cordless Glue Gun is a smart, safe, and powerful tool that brings convenience and joy to your creative and repair tasks. Number 3. Easarc Cordless Hot Glue Gun. The Easarc Cordless Hot Glue Gun is a handy and easy-to-use tool perfect for crafts, home repairs, decorations, and school projects. Its compact and lightweight design makes it great for kids, beginners, or anyone who enjoys making DIY creations. The soft pink color adds a fun, stylish touch, making it a thoughtful gift for friends or family. One of its best features is the fast heating. It's ready to use in just 15 seconds, so you can get started on your project right away. Being cordless, you're free to move around easily, whether you're reaching high places, working outside, or crafting at your desk. This glue gun is made with safety in mind. It has a smart switch that automatically shuts off after 5 minutes of no use, helping to save power and prevent accidents. The surface is made from flame-retardant material to protect your hands, and it also has lights to show the battery and heating status. It includes an anti-drip design, so glue only comes out when you press the trigger. This prevents sticky messes, saves glue, and helps you apply it smoothly and precisely. Your projects stay neat, and your workspace stays clean. Charging is simple with a USB-C port, the same type used for many phones and laptops. Just plug it into a USB-C charger with 5V2A, and you're ready to go again in no time. This makes it easy to charge anywhere, at home, at school, or even in the car. The Ozark glue gun also comes with 30 glue sticks, 10 clear ones and 20 colorful ones, all safe and odor-free. The sticks are the mini size, 0.28 by 3.9 inches, perfect for decorating and small craft work. This glue gun is not only functional but also fun to use, making it a great addition to any DIY toolkit. Whether you're fixing things or making something creative, the Ozark cordless glue gun helps you do it quickly, safely, and with style. Number 2. SureBonder CL195F Mini Hot Glue Gun. The SureBonder CL195F Mini Hot Glue Gun is a smart choice for anyone who enjoys detailed craft work, home repairs, or DIY projects. It's a compact, high-temperature glue gun designed for precision and safety, making it great for both beginners and experienced crafters. This glue gun stands out with its extended detail tip, which lets you apply glue exactly where you need it. Whether you're working on tiny decorations, repairing small items, or building models, the precise tip gives you better control and clean results. One of the most useful features is its cordless and corded option. You can heat it on the included portable stand, then remove it for 2 to 3 minutes of cordless use. This gives you more freedom to move without being tied to a power outlet. Just place it back on the stand when it needs to reheat. The glue gun also includes several safety features to protect you while you work. It has an insulated nozzle to prevent burns, a kickstand for safe resting, side fins to stop glue from flowing back when the tool is laid flat, and a nonstick pad to catch drips. With 20 watts of power, this mini glue gun heats up quickly and works well with high-temperature glue, which provides strong bonding for materials like wood, plastic, metal, fabric, and more. Despite its power, the tool is lightweight, weighing just 8.8 ounces, so it's easy to handle for long periods without tiring your hand. The SureBonder glue gun is perfect for arts and crafts, electronics, toy repairs, dioramas, and home projects. Its small size and smart design make it easy to store and convenient to use anytime. If you're looking for a reliable, safe, and accurate glue gun, this model is a solid choice. It combines the power and control you need with the flexibility of cordless use, helping you work smarter and more efficiently on all your creative tasks. Number 1. Romex Full-Size Hot Glue Gun. The Romex Full-Size Hot Glue Gun is a powerful and reliable tool for crafting, DIY projects, and repairs. It comes in a stylish pink color and includes a strong storage case with everything you need to get started, including 21 high-quality glue sticks, 7/16 thick. One of its best features is the dual power setting. You can choose between 60W and 100W, depending on your project. The 60W mode is great for delicate crafts and small tasks, giving you a steady temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit and a glue flow rate of 0.35 ounces per minute. For heavier tasks like woodwork or repairs, the 100W mode heats up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit and provides a faster glue flow of 0.53 ounces per minute. With just a simple switch, you can adjust the power as needed. The glue gun is designed to deliver clean and smooth glue flow. It uses a durable copper nozzle that spreads heat evenly, helping you apply glue neatly without mess. The nozzle is also drip-free, so you don't waste glue or end up with sticky workspaces. Made for industrial and home use, This glue gun is perfect for a wide range of jobs, from crafts and school projects to serious home repairs or commercial work. It's built strong but still easy to handle, thanks to its comfortable trigger design and lightweight body. In the package, you get a complete kit: the glue gun itself, 21 odor-free, high-viscosity glue sticks, and a sturdy Oxford fabric carrying case to keep everything organized and portable. Romek also offers excellent customer support, with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. So you can shop with confidence, knowing you're covered if anything goes wrong. If you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use glue gun that works well for both light crafts and tough repairs, the Romek Dual Temperature Hot Glue Gun is a smart and dependable choice.